Hey guys, we're at your house. We're trying to beat the rain, but at least it's not so hot today. But we're here at the rough framing stage. So what this is the framing contractors, they come in here and they, I don't want to say that they throw these things together, but they put them together pretty darn fast. So sometimes they miss some things. You know, they've got the blueprints sitting out here, and there might not be one addition on there, or maybe an option that might not be there. And that's the job of the construction manager. He'll come, starting to get some rain, he'll come out here and look at his punch list and then make sure that they start fixing it. And I'll show you real quick. See, they already fixed that. So sliding glass. All right, so yeah, he's pretty good. He's pretty quick on picking up some stuff. We're gonna check a couple more things here. We're gonna send you a bunch of pictures, and hopefully you'll be able to spot everything. I know it's killing you that you can't be here, but you know that's what I'm here for. All right, we'll see you later. They're just about done with the rough framing stage, and I'm trying to find some of the things that you asked me to look for, but hopefully we'll be able to catch it at least just on the video. I know there's your stairs. There's your storage underneath your stairs. And I'm actually liking all these, 4 of them butted up, 4, 4, 4, and then strapped. That's really good. And these are 2x6 right here. So that's kind of cool. All right, just keep looking. Oh, getting a little bit of rain. So this might actually be a long video because we got a lot of stuff to look at. I know you wanted that. And you're gonna forgive me, I don't quite remember exactly what all the options that you had. I've got a pretty good idea. And they don't have the electrical in, so they can't check that. That's okay. But the main thing is, ta-da! They fixed it. So when they threw this thing together, they had windows here, and that was just, what, a week ago? And they've already came back and opened it up. And this is your courtyard. And I know there was a stub out that we talked about. I don't even see it over here. Let's go walk around. These are good. These are also 2x6. 2x6. Hey, you know what? I didn't even realize this. All of your exteriors and some of the interiors are 2x6. That means you get more insulation that goes in there. That's really good. Let's take a look up here. Yeah, we'll go outside and find that stub out. But huge header board all the way there. Look how thick that is. Yeah. Major load bearing, and whoops, ties in there, and then all that load is coming down on this wall. All right, so you got 2 2x4s, butted up to 1 3, another one, and then another one. So that's some good structural right there. And we'll go back over here, and like I said, sorry, this might be a really long video, but all the way up there. So structural all the way down here. See how thick that is. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, so I'm not seeing anything major right now, but I can tell you they're still have some work to do on this edge right here. They'll put that there just to raise it up to where they can put the sheetrock, but that doesn't even quite line up. They'll fix that. Like I said, it's the rough framing stage. Yeah, there's a... All right, let's do kitchen. That's your... I think that's part of your kitchen. I don't think it's your master bedroom or your bathroom. That's part of your kitchen, I think. And then here's your island. Huh. You'll probably know more than I will, but yeah, your island, those are plumbing lines, electrical. Let's go see if we can find that stub out quick. And I know it might actually be going by quick, but there's just a lot of stuff to look at. Yeah, look at all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By 6. I'm actually pretty impressed. I'm actually even more impressed that they put this insulated foam board on the outside. Plus, you're going to have the spray foam on the inside. That's pretty darn good. I didn't know they did that. They don't do it on all the houses. Look, over there, they don't have it. Huh. Okay, well, hopefully this video will help you. So we got some drains here. I don't know if that's part of your outdoor kitchen or not. All right, let's keep looking around. So here's your master. Oh, wow. Beautiful windows. Oh, I know what we can do. Let's see how big your backyard is. Okay, I'm just gonna estimate this, and it's gonna be probably where that utility box is, or just slightly behind it. You might have that in your backyard. So I'm gonna pace it off. So 10 yards, roughly. What'd they say, about 25 feet? So yeah, it's not bad. I mean, yeah, it's actually pretty good. And I know it's not quite as much as that one, but that is a shorter or smaller house. There you go. I like it. All right, let's see if we can go take a look upstairs. All right. We might get rained on, but that's all right. Because we don't have a roof yet. Ta-da! No roof. Ooh, that's nice. Nice big windows. So, yeah, lots of straps. Like that. Like that. That's good. They did a really good job on getting these close. That's a header board. Not very much gaps in there. When your frame inspector comes in, he'll be looking at all of that stuff very closely. Looks good. Looks good. There's your neighbors. Hi, neighbors. So yeah, here's the back of that foam backing board that they're using. Good stuff. There's your attic. Yeah, so I'll hang out here a little bit longer after I pause the video and send you some pictures too. This is kind of nice. So you got 2 windows there. I forgot what your floor plan said on this. It's a closet within a closet. Shared with this room. I'm bad about memorizing floor plans. I see so many of them. Yeah, so here's something that might come up in your inspection. You kind of don't want a gap there, but if it's butted up inside there, it might be okay. They might just shoot some nails through here, but when I come out here with your inspector, we'll take a look at that. I mean, that's an easy fix, just replace those. Not bad. There's something else right there I'm not real happy about. Easy fix. It's actually flush, but not over here. And these are not supporting. It does support this. Yeah, it does support that, so it is supporting. But most of these interior ones right here, those are not supporting. Those are not supporting. They do kind of support the header a little bit, but it's mostly just to hang the sheetrock. So that's fine. Then they might get a nail or two in it, but it looks pretty good all the way down. Yeah. Ooh, I'm glad that sun is not out. Oh, there's the rain. It would be hot. Late July, or sorry, late August. All right, I hope I got everything for you on the video. I'll take some pictures. Yeah, this is a nice game room area, and I'm assuming that's going to overlook the living room. And there's your fireplace. Oh, you're supposed to have a fireplace out there too, so I'll talk to, or I'll send that information to your construction manager. And one thing I wanted to point out, and that's not going to come out on video because of the light. Let me find another one, an exterior. What I was going to talk about is the straps that they do. Yeah, here we go. That'll come out. So they do every single one. So that's a clip or a strap, whatever you want to call it. Strap, all the way down, every single one. So builders don't have to do that. I think up in the northern counties, it's just windstorm ratings. But this builder does every single joist. It's good. All right. Let's go back downstairs. I'll check my list and go ahead and send you some pictures. But let's go back downstairs. Maybe go through the garage one more time. Okay, I know you wanted something in the garage for us to look at. I'm going to come back and take look at the list, and then send you some pictures. But I think you had something about the header. That's a huge span, but it's big enough to support it. That's very common. I see that on all homes. They'll have those butted together and nailed together. So yeah, you're good on that, because that is an extra wide garage door. Yeah, you're good on that. Just kind of pan around here. There's your workers. So yeah, I'll come back and take some pictures. All right, so I hope that was beneficial to you, and I know you're dying to be here. So hopefully this will help you out a little bit. And like I said, we'll take some pictures for you, send them to you, and I guess we'll keep an eye on this guy. You know, make sure that they don't miss anything. So far, they're picking up a couple of things, but I know we got a good list of things to do, and send it to the construction manager just to give them an extra punch list, just to make sure that they don't miss anything. And that's about it. All right, man, we'll see you next time. We'll probably do another video on the frame inspection, because we're going to have all the mechanical in, the electrical, the plumbing, everything like that. So, all right, we'll see you guys.